Hey everyone, my name is N.S. Reddy. My role is father role. That's it.
Good morning to everyone. My name is Sevan Bhagyalakshmi. I acted as a mother character.
Good morning all of you. Myself Sunita. I am HR round.
Good morning everyone. Myself Vaishnavi. I am acting as a friend.
Good morning everyone. My name is Pranita. I am acting as friend character.
Good morning everyone. My name is Madhuri. I am acting as a friend.
Good morning everyone. Myself Sunil Sota. I am acting as a friend character.
My name is Naveen. I act as a son character in the script.
Nowadays, not only our children's, in every home same situation. Every teenagers using mobile, even kids also.
The use of mobile. Our children they cannot use mobile positive way, but our children doing wrong way. So they use mobile utilizing correct way. How long without our responsibilities?
Why are you looking so sad?
My father is scolding me
What happened, Naveen? Why they are scolding you?
because I'm not doing anything and taking responsibilities.
Let's not discuss here. We went to got where next place restaurant. Forgot about all the things, Naveen. Just come with us. We will search for a job for you.
Okay, I will coming to Hyderabad. Mom, I'm going to Hyderabad to get a job. I'm coming to Hyderabad.
Yeah, sure, Naveen. Come to Hyderabad. We will meet at hyd.
Okay, sure.
After some days, the Naveen came to Hyderabad in search of a job.
You have an interview tomorrow. Please practice well and attend an interview.
Okay, Pranita, thank you for giving this to chance to get a job. So I will definitely attend the interview tomorrow.
Now the Naveen is going to attend the first interview in Hyderabad.
Good morning, Naveen. Tell about yourself.
Hi, my name is Naveen. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm currently living to get job.
Call you later.
What happened, Naveen? What about your interview?
I'm rejected the interview because of my proper way to communicate the interviewer.
It's okay. Don't feel bad. It's your first interview. Try again and prepare for your next interview.
Okay, now after Naveen has attended so many interviews. After this, he is in a very bad situation. Let's see.
Where are you, Naveen?
I'm outside.
Please come to the room. We will discuss your interview.
No, I'm tired. Sorry.
Why are you behaving like this, Naveen? Which situation you are coming to Hyderabad? What about your goals? Why are you behaving like this?
What the nonsense you are talking?
Hi Naveen. Where are you? Why are you doing like this, Naveen? We are also tried so much like this. We were also in same situation. We have struggled so much to get a job, but we did not addicted like this. How you are addicted to bad things? Please come back to room. We want to discuss something about your future. Please come back.
Why are you doing like this, Naveen?
What happened? What your nonsense you talking?
Why are you behaving like this, Naveen? She said for you only. You are not changing this attitude. You are not succeed in your life. Please change your attitude.
Naveen is looking at the mirror and he is remembering the last few days what he did.
What happened, Naveen? Yesterday you had drunk so much. Why are you behaving like this?
Sorry, Pranita. I did not repeat this again. I'm realizing today. Which purpose I came to Hyderabad and what is doing here. I realizing I do practice for interview to get a job.
Sure, it's serious about your goal.
Definitely, I realized today.
Okay, all the best for your next interview. If you need any help.
Okay, sure, definitely.
Naveen is preparing for the interview. After some days, again Naveen is ready to attend another interview. Naveen, I have referred you a small startup company. Today you have an interview. Please be prepared. They'll give a call and all the best.
Okay, definitely I'm go attend the interview tomorrow. Thank you for that referring to me.
Good morning, Naveen. Tell about yourself.
Good morning. My name is Naveen Ravirala. I'm from Hyderabad. I have done my bachelor degree in computer science engineering from Kasarati Narayan Reddy College of Engineering and Research. I have done my intermediate in TS Model Junior College. I have done my schooling in. Yours.
Tell about C# introduction.
C# is a high-level programming language. It is used to develop mobile application, web application, and gaming applications.
Select a reviewer manager.
Happiness to his friends and family.
Hi daddy, I get a job with a package of 8 LPA.
Moral of the story, nowadays how teenagers coming to Hyderabad and how they addicted to bad habits and they forgot about their family and responsibilities. It's also at last Naveen realized self-realization for his goal and he got a job with decent package.